Hi guys, welcome back for another door panel removal video. In today's video I will take down this door panel. This is a Fiat 500, I think it's 500X from 2018. First you need to take this piece of trim out with a plastic removal tool. It have 3 metal clips. One, two, three. You need to take out this. Here in the door handle you will have a plastic cover. Now you will have 3 screws, one here, one there, and one on the bottom. For those two, this one and that one, you will need a hexagon head 5mm, and on the bottom you'll have a cross type screw. After you take all the screws out, you'll have clips. There are some strong clips, sometimes they break, sometimes they came out easy. I'll try to put my hands under and pull to see if it's working. Now, after you take the door panel from the clips out, you slide it upward like this. You can take this out like that and disconnect the cable by pushing this tab and pulling this tab here. You have 2 cables to disconnect. The black one came easy, just need to pull it. But this one, it have 2 tabs on the interior, you need to push those 2 in order to take it out. Here is the door panel. I have 3 clips still on the door. I'll show you how to take it out from the door and put it back on the door panel. And that's it. This is your door panel. Thank you for watching.